What's up? Hey, congratulations for getting to this part of the video. Hey, so you click the link, so that means you want to learn more, all right? So basically what I want to submit to you is that I am going to teach you the RV repair business, okay? I'm going to teach you how to do the diagnostics. I'm going to teach you how to do plumbing. I'm going to teach you how to do electric. I'm going to teach you how to do HVAC. You become all these all in one, learning the RV trade, okay? And I just want to make sure you guys understand, if you're looking to get rich quick, get rich scheme, I promise you, this is not that, okay? This is learning a skill. This is, using your hands, okay? So anybody that want to learn this, you can. I don't know if you guys know, I have a 9-year-old son. Well, actually, sorry, my son is 10 now. I'm going to be 11 soon. He's an RV tech, okay? He's at our dealership. I say, hey, Junior, a warrior heater just came in. Let's go look at that. He'd go look at it, diagnose it, bring it right back, okay? And tell me exactly what's wrong with it. I say, okay, make the repairs. That's how easy it is to become a certified RV tech, all right? So I just want you guys to understand that if I could teach my 10-year-old son, I definitely can teach you, okay? I've taught hundreds of students, all right? So if in fact you guys want to just come and, want to learn a little bit, maybe, about your own personal rig, this is not for that. I have a challenge where you can actually learn that stuff for $97, okay? You don't need to learn that here. If you're booking a call with me directly, you're gonna get my time. I'm looking for you to enroll. I'm looking for you to want to learn the RV repair business, okay? How to make money, all right? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for those kind of people, all right? So I'm your guy if you're looking to make money, if you're looking to, learn this trade, to pass the trade down to your family, to your sons, to your daughters, make it a generational thing. That's what I'm all about. I'm not even really all about the bag. I'm actually, I want to make money, sure, but, if you ask like your local RV dealership, they will all tell you, oh, this is generation. My father passed it down, and his father passed it down to him, and he passed it down to me. That's what I'm after. That's what I'm looking for. So if you on that wave and, want to do good things for yourself, do good things for your family, I'm the guy. I'm that guy that's going to teach you how to get plaques like this, how to get certified in different areas. I'm going to do all that for you. So you can book a call directly with me, and I will speak to you directly. I want to know what's your ambition. I want to pretty much know, once you learn it, where you want to go, okay? And if you got to speak to your wife or your husband, do all that before you even book a call with me, because when you book with me, I'm looking to enroll you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at our hands-on boot camp. You're going to get our online course and everything. So, it's a lot. You do have to make an investment, invest in yourself as far as what I'm going to teach you. And by the way, just so you know, you could do one job and get the money back that you're going to invest with me, okay? And also you have to invest in tools, all right? So you have to make an investment. It's not a rich, quick scheme. This is actually real life work. Me personally, all those people online that you say, yeah, I made $1 million doing this, $1 million doing that, $1 million doing that, at some point they're gonna have to have a skill. They're gonna have to learn how to use their hands. I don't care if it's typing. You have to have a skill today, okay? And the good thing about it is everybody wanna be online making money. That's good, because guess what? There's no text to do anything, all right? Now is the time to learn the business. Let me just be clear on this. You pay one time to learn this. And once you learn this, it lasts forever, because it's a skill, all right? You ain't about to learn something that's gonna go out of business, or you can't do it tomorrow. It's a skill. It's electrician. It's plumbing. It's HVAC work. It's roof. I teach you guys all this stuff, okay? So I'm that guy that's gonna teach you, all right? There's no need to look further. No need to go anywhere else. I'm that guy. I'm here for you. I'm gonna make sure you learn. You're gonna get all the support you need, and there's a lot more I got in store for you. So book a call with me. Let's get enrolled, and let's go from there, all right? See you guys in the Zoom call. And by the way, if in fact you guys just want to learn something simple, maybe on your RV, you don't want to do it full time, you don't want to have a job, you don't want to do anything, you just want to fix a couple repairs, on your own RV and maybe a friend's RV, I would say join our challenge, okay? This is $97. Join that. But there's a difference. The challenge is just, want to learn a little bit of things to make a couple of simple repairs. This ain't that. This, if you book a call with me, you're learning everything on RV, okay? You're learning how to, diagnose, make all the repairs, know what to look for, slide jobs. You're learning some stuff, all right? that you can just walk into the door and say, hey, I demand 80K, 100K a year because I have the skill. All right. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the video. Click the link, book a call with me. Let's get you enrolled. I'm going to speak to you directly. All right. Let's go.